Picture a high-profile tech conference. The lights dim, music blares, and Russia unveils its pride. Promobot, a humanoid robot. The presenter boasts about how this machine will change the world. Then, in front of everyone, Promobot stumbles and faceplants on stage. The audience gasps, then laughs. The video goes viral. It's funny, but it's also telling. Building a human-like robot is incredibly hard, and not every country is keeping pace. While Russia's robot is falling, others are making real progress. This awkward moment is more than a meme. It's a symbol of the global race for robotics and AI. The fall sets the stage for a bigger story. 3 nations, 3 strategies, 1 future. Russia wants prestige but struggles with execution. The US is driven by bold entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, risking everything for massive rewards. China, meanwhile, mobilizes its entire nation behind a single state-driven goal. The race isn't just about cool gadgets. It's about who will shape the next era of work, economics, and humanity. Zoom out, and you see 3 global hotspots for robot development. Russia aims for spectacle, trying to prove it belongs in the tech elite, but often falls short. The US is a wild, capitalist frontier. Private companies, led by visionaries like Elon Musk, chase huge profits and take huge risks. Tesla's Optimus robot is a prime example. If it works, it could redefine the company and the industry. China, in contrast, is all about national coordination. The government sets clear goals, mobilizes resources, and expects results. In 2023, China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology released a roadmap mass-produce humanoid robots by 2025, make it a top industry by 2027. Universities, companies, and local governments are all aligned. Russia plays for prestige, the US for profit, and China for national power. Each approach reflects its country's values and strengths. The real question: which strategy will win? The clumsy Russian robot, the American celebrity CEO, and China's faceless bureaucracy each tells a story about its nation's ambitions. The race is on. Let's focus on the American side, specifically Elon Musk. Musk's vision for Tesla's Optimus robot is massive. Robots everywhere, doing the jobs humans don't want. He believes the market could be worth trillions, and Optimus could surpass Tesla's car business. To make it happen, Musk needs top engineers, huge funding, and, crucially, control over Tesla. Enter the legendary pay package. In 2018, shareholders approved a deal. No salary, just a set of nearly impossible targets. If Musk hit them all, he'd get stock options worth $56 billion. By 2024, he did it. Tesla's value soared, but a Delaware judge voided the package, calling it excessive. Tesla put it to a shareholder vote. Should Musk get the reward, and should Tesla move to Texas? The debate was fierce, but shareholders said yes. This is the American way. Extraordinary incentives for extraordinary results. Supporters say the pay package fueled Tesla's rise. Critics call it obscene, but it's a bet on one person to change the world. In America, big dreams come with big risks, and even bigger rewards. The $56 billion question: is Musk worth it? Supporters say yes, a deal's a deal, and Musk delivered unprecedented growth. Tesla's value exploded, and his relentless drive is seen as the engine behind it all. They argue that rewarding such performance is essential for innovation. Critics, though, see the sum as outrageous. No one person should earn more than the GDP of small countries. They worry about fairness, corporate governance, and the message it sends. The debate captures America's tension individual incentives versus concerns about inequality and power. Is it genius or excess? In the US, That's the price of betting on visionaries. While America debates Musk's paycheck, China is quietly building a robot army. No celebrity CEOs, just a government plan and national mobilization. In 2023, China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology set a bold goal: mass-produce humanoid robots by 2025. By 2027, robots should be a major economic engine. The government is building an entire ecosystem: AI brains, control software, advanced hardware. Companies like Fourier Intelligence and Unitary Robotics are already taking orders and showing off advanced robots. China is on track to dominate industrial robot installations and wants to do the same with humanoids. The plan covers everything: factories, healthcare, even home robots. It's not one company's gamble, it's a nation's mission. While the US bets on individuals, China is training engineers and building robots at scale. The scale is staggering, and the results are starting to show. The US and China are running the robot race in totally different ways. America is the lone wolf, decentralized, chaotic, driven by individual genius and the lure of massive rewards. The government funds basic research, but lets the market decide what gets built. This system can be wildly innovative, think iPhones and reusable rockets, but also messy, with many failures for every success. China is the wolf pack. Centralized, organized, and mission-driven. The government sets the direction, allocates resources, and ensures everyone works together. The result: rapid mobilization, scale, and fewer wasted efforts. But top-down planning can stifle creativity and true breakthroughs. The US bets on a few visionaries to find the path. China builds a superhighway and commands everyone to drive on it. The race for humanoid robots will test which model works best in the 21st century. Will it be the lone genius or the disciplined collective? The answer will shape our future. Back to that Russian robot. Why doesn't it matter? The real race is between the US and China. Russia lacks the capital, talent pool, manufacturing base, and market size to compete at scale. Sanctions and a smaller economy make it even harder. Promobot's fall wasn't just a mishap. It symbolized deeper structural challenges. Russia's ambitions are real, but the resources aren't there. The future of robotics will be decided in Silicon Valley and Shenzhen, not Moscow. The clumsy robot is a footnote in a much bigger story. The real robotics race is US versus China. As of late 2025, China is in the lead. China's government, industrial capacity, and speed are proving powerful. Tesla's Optimus is advanced, but it's just one company, distracted by other priorities. In China, dozens of companies, all backed by the state, are racing to mass-produce humanoid robots. America's strength, individual brilliance, could also be its weakness. China bets on relentless, incremental progress from thousands of engineers. The US hopes for a breakthrough from a genius. The race isn't over, but China's brute force strategy is working. The contest is between America's chaotic genius and China's organized might. We started with a robot falling on its face. Now we see a global contest between two superpowers with two playbooks. The US model, bet on visionaries, offer huge rewards, and hope for revolutionary leaps. China's model, set national goals, mobilize resources, and win through scale and coordination. As of late 2025, China's strategy is paying off. Robots are rolling off assembly lines. The US still leads in core AI, but innovation alone isn't enough. You need to build and scale too. The race is just beginning. While the world watched one robot fall, a robotic nation was rising. The next decade will reveal which strategy wins, the lone genius or the disciplined army. The future of robotics and maybe humanity hangs in the balance.